So guys, welcome to Avida Woodhill Sittings Valley Clubhouse. So, tingnan nyo naman yung kanyang amenities. So, nandito yung admin office, shower room, then social hall or function room. Ayan yung frontage niya. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano kaganda. Then, ito yung overlooking clubhouse ng Woodhill. So, yung lot kanina na ating pinuntahan is nandun na side. Nandun lang. So, yung White House, straight lang yan. Yung sasakyan na yan, nandun na yung lot na ating tiningnan. So, diba? Ang ganda. Meron pa yan sa baba. Jogging path. Nandun yung basketball court na side. Ito yung infinity pool, kiddie pool, then social hall. So, ayan yung ano nila. Guidelines. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Namnamin nyo kung gaano kaganda ang clubhouse ng Woodhill. So, bye-bye!